Hello kids. Let's play the alphabet game together.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for star.
S for star.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Christmas tree.
X for Christmas tree.
Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Hello kids. Today, let's begin learning about numbers and fruits and their name.
1. 1 apple. 2. 1. 2. 2 watermelons. 3. 1. 2. 3. 3 mangoes. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4. 4 bananas. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 pineapples. 6. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6 kiwis. 7. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7 peaches. 8. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 8 strawberries. 9. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 9 cherries. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10 blueberries.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.